Hi, everyone, and welcome to SQM Picks. I'm David Lipton. SQM Picks highlights businesses that provide outstanding customer service or have interesting products. Businesses that have been featured range from small mom-and-pop companies to some of the larger international brands. Our featured company today is DaRosa Café and Restaurant. DaRosa's is a family-run business located on the corner of Dufferin and Glencairn Avenue. The restaurant offers a variety of Portuguese cuisine, but is best known for their chicken. Aside from their great food, they are known for generous portion sizes and very reasonable prices. A half chicken dinner comes with 2 sides and fresh bread, and even with a beer or glass of wine, it is often under $25. In addition to their popular chicken meals, they have other tasty items on a menu that rotates daily. This includes fish, seafood, ribs, and steak. Many guests dine in the restaurant or, when the weather permits, on the patio, and depending on the time of year, don't be surprised to catch a soccer game playing on the TV. If you're in a rush or prefer to eat at home, takeout is also available. The restaurant is located at 2853 Dufferin Street, or call them at 416-256-4544. If you know of a company that provides great products or amazing service, please send us an email to sqmpicks@sqm.ca. Thanks for watching, and look for another episode of SQM Picks shortly.